and marketing funnel. If you are a business owner, coach, trainer, consultant, or whatever product and service you are selling, that's especially in online world, you should understand what is sales funnel and how does it work. Without that, if you are just randomly doing business, you are leaving so much of money on the table. So before telling that what is sales funnel, I will just explain first and then I will give one liner definition. What is sales funnel? When I explain that, by the time already you would have understood that. Let's say, for example, you are here as a person. You are the business owner here. You are here, okay? And you have product and service which was listing, or maybe in your company, in your agency, or in your coaching business, whatever business, you have product and service. Let's say you have products, maybe one, two, three, four, five, six, whatever the many products. It may be one or two product, or maybe three or four. Sales funnel and marketing funnel works in similar way. Now let's say you have product and service here, but to sell, you should display or means this about this product and service. Someone should know about your product and service, then only you can sell, right? Now, here if you see this is the whole universe. Okay, whole universe, when you say this includes your offline, or maybe online, in the sense social media, maybe FB, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, or whatever the media. This is whole world. In this universe or world, million or billions of people are exist here. Now you are here, and the people who are about to buy are looking for the product and service are here. But how would they buy? There should be some medium, right? That medium we are going to define as a funnel. Now let's say, for example, here, now you are here and here. We need to bridge this gap. So now, when you say sales and marketing funnel, always the funnel, when you fundamentally see that, at the top it's bigger and below it is smaller. Physical funnel which we use for the fill the petrol and or earlier, right? The similar way. Now this is going to your bridge between your product and the people who are going to buy your product and service. Now, so now the people who are seeing, right? Now product is here. Now by means of ads, by means of social media, by means of ads, YouTube ads and whatever, you are displaying your product, right? Now the people who are looking your product and service, now the funnel usually will be 3 to 5 steps max. That should be a grade. Otherwise, it will be so much of complicated. Now, this we are going to define as top of the funnel, middle of the funnel. This is bottom of funnel. Okay. So now the people, millions of people who are seeing your product and service through the ads, through the social media, they will come here first at the top of the, okay. Let's say, for example, now I'll just give 100 people who are seeing your product and service at the top, means in the social media ads and wherever. They will see here and they will enter to your funnel here at the top, and as soon as you go down or maybe bottom, the audience size goes narrow down. Let's say now at the top 100 people are viewing, okay, your ads or product and service organically, but who's are viewing or maybe seeing, they will not come, right? Let's say out of 100, maybe 80 people can come and see, or come and see your product and service. Just they will look how it is great or not, before making the decision, a buying decision, right? Now, let's say, for example, if you say this is 100 people here and this is going to be 80 people, just at the middle of the funnel. And again, maybe out of 80 people may not buy your product and service. The people are seeing here, people are here, maybe filling the form or sending the inquiry or maybe walking inside your stores, okay, for maybe looking just to see that how product and service, whether it is fit, right fit or not for me. Okay. And here the people, maybe 20 people may buy your product and service. Okay. So always there is a, whether you are selling physical product or maybe online, offline or whatever, there will be always drop in the audience size. So now as we talked about that, universe is here. It includes all your social media and other marketing stuffs. And then people are entering here. This is top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, where the people are buying your product and service here. So now the bridge between here to here is what we are fulfilling. Okay, your product and service, the people are here, and people are coming from step by step through the funnel or through the journey, through the road, through the bridge, whatever you call it, that is the funnel. Now, in nutshell, if you say that sales or marketing funnel is nothing but a journey or a sales journey or marketing journey or simply a journey, the unknown peoples, unknown peoples coming and converting your buying clients. So here we call this leads, and here they are becoming the clients or maybe customer. So there is again difference between customer and clients. Customer is nothing but a customer who is buying one time and buying. Clients are nothing but they are taking repetitively or next step or maybe different products. There is again different methodology. Some different people will talk about that. Okay. So now, so if you see here, by overall this, you will understood. And as I told that, people who are unknown people becoming a clients or customer is nothing but a funnel, which there are, as per my knowledge and experience, there are about 20 to 25 types of funnels, but we will take it all those into next session and all. Okay, hope you got this entire whatever nutshell how the funnel will work and how you can utilize this. If you are a coach, trainer, consultant, or business owner, offline, online, or whatever, you must look or you must consider using the sales and marketing funnel because it will give you a definitive path, how many people are coming and what I'm selling, how many people are buying and how much of revenue I'm making, how much of profit I'm making. And nowadays, without funnel, if you are selling any product and service, you are definitely losing some of the money on the table, but consider by using this. Okay. Hope this will helpful you and your business journey and make use of this. If you have any comments or any feedback, just leave to us or whatever the feedback. So it will help me to create more and more videos like this for your business. Okay. So yeah, subscribe and like that is very important. Okay. Then take care. Thank you.